5, we learned I eat breakfast. What if we don't eat breakfast? Let's learn negative and question in present simple. In present simple, we use don't and doesn't for negative. For example, I don't, you don't, he doesn't, she doesn't, we don't, and they don't. Now, we use don't for I, you, we, and they. And we use doesn't for third person. He, she, and it. For example, I don't play football. He doesn't play football. Now, notice I used don't for I and doesn't for he. But there is another thing. Remember, last week I taught you he plays, right? But when you are using negative, the moment you use doesn't, the play maintains its base form. So it becomes he doesn't play. Correct? He doesn't plays. Wrong. So when you use doesn't, the play or the verb maintains its base form. So he doesn't play is correct and he doesn't play is wrong. Got it? Okay, let's answer the questions together. Number 1, I. Good job. I don't play. Good. Number 2, he. Good. He doesn't like pizza. Number 3, we. Good job. We don't eat rice. Good job. Now, let's go to questions. For questions, we use do and does, but we use them at the beginning of the sentence. For example, do you like apples? Does she like water? We use do and does at the beginning of the sentence. Just like I told you earlier, you use does for third person, he, she, and it. And once you use does, you don't have to add s to the other verb. The verb still takes its original form. So it's does she like water? Not does she likes water. No. Does she like water? Good. Does she likes water? Wrong. Got it? When the question is, does he like water? Most times, the answer is yes, he does. Or no, he doesn't. Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Got it? Now, let's practice together. I say a sentence and you convert it to negative and question. Number 1, I play tennis. I don't play tennis. Good job. That's correct. Now, question. Do you play tennis? Good job. That's correct. She likes milk. Negative. She doesn't good like milk. Good job. Now, question. Does she like milk? Good job. That's correct. Easy, right? Now, for your homework, write 3 negative sentences and 3 questions using the present simple. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends for more videos like this. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification so you can be notified when I post another video. Okay guys, bye!